How to buy crypto on Binance. Follow this guide. First, open the Binance app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on the assets located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then select Add Funds. After that, click the currency icon at the top right corner to choose your payment currency. Here you can scroll through the list or click on the search icon to find your desired currency. Once you have selected your currency, choose the buy option. Now select the crypto you want to buy and enter the amount you would like to spend. At the bottom of the screen, click on the Add New Card. Finally, fill in your card details including your card number and expiry date. Once everything is correct, hit Confirm to complete the process. There you go.